Hi everyone! I want to show you how you can make a game like this. Let's look at the example. So we click the balloons and they disappear, make a sound effect, and when we click them, we get scores. Let's see how we can make this. Okay, I'm gonna start over and I'm gonna sign out. So go to this website, scratch.mit.edu, and you can click this, start creating. So it's a good idea to make an account so that everything gets saved. If you haven't created an account, you can start creating, doesn't matter, but you have to remember to save your project at the end. So you have to go to File, Save to your computer. If you forget it, it will get lost. Okay, let's click delete, get rid of the cat and click the cat head. Go click this one. Now you have your balloon that is called a sprite. We want to move this, so let's grab this one and bring it to the center. Glide 1 second to a random position. If you click, it will run. So it will go somewhere. And then if you want this to happen all the time, you need a loop from controls. Click the orange circle and grab the third one forever. If you click this, it will run. So your balloon will move forever. And then the next thing we want is to put a flag on top of these. So go to the yellow circle and grab when flag clicked. Now let's stop this and look at it full screen. And if you click the flag, it will move forever. So let's go back. The next thing we want is to do this. So in the yellow circle, we have when this sprite click. This is called a sprite. When we click it, we want something to happen, and that something is gonna be here. Go to looks and grab hide. So when we click this, it will hide. There you go. Now we want to do something to bring it back. So we need to bring show and put it under the flag. So when we start our project and we click the flag, it will appear. And when we click it, it will disappear. And something that makes it fun is to go to sounds and add a sound effect. So grab this one and put it under this when the sprite click. Let's try and see how it works. So I click it, plays the sound effect and disappears. What else? We want a background. Let's click this one, choose a background, and I had this one, blue sky. Okay, so this is what we have for now. One balloon that disappears. And then what else? What else? So the next thing is that we want to add sounds to a sound to our backdrop. So let's go to sound. Okay, let's select stage and let's go to sounds. And if you click this, you will get all of the sounds. Let's click loops and choose any sound that you like. If you like the sound, you can click and it will go here. And let's go back to the code tab and grab the sound. Here is the sound. So we want it to start when we start our project, which is by clicking the flag. So yellow and the first one when the flag clicked. Let's test it. So the music played only one time, but we can repeat it as many times as we want. So also we can repeat forever. Let's repeat it a few times. And you can change the number here. Let's say 5 times. Okay. So this one is done. So select the sprite again and let's do something. When it hides, we want it to wait a little bit. So put wait here and then it will wait and then we want it to come back. Go to looks and bring show. So let's then it disappears. We will wait once again. It will come back. Also we want to get some scores. So go to this circle, darker orange, and do this. Make a variable and write something here like score. And say okay. Now you see the score. The next thing is that we want to change the score. So go grab this, change, and let's click this small triangle here. Open the menu and choose the one that we have created. So change score by 1. When do we want it to change? So when we click it, right? When we click, we get scores. So we can go here and bring one of these. Also, we can put it right here. It doesn't matter. So, okay, let's test. And I got 4 times. And then when I stop and start again, see how the score doesn't reset. We want the score to reset as well. So let's go to this orange circle again and grab set to 0. And remember, we want to change this. My variable needs to be score and then it needs to be set to 0. And let's put it under a flag. Let's test. I click the flag and then it has a 0 in the beginning. Also, I want to show you this. If you click stage, remember we had the sound on stage. We can go to sound tab and we can make the music a little bit softer. Wait, this is not the one. So this is the one. We can make it soft. Okay, let's hear it. You can make it slower, faster, play with it and see what you like. Okay, let's go back to code and the example I showed you had 3 balloons. Let's see how we can make that happen. So right click and duplicate. Also, let me sign in and I want to show you something. If you are in your account and you have created an account, you will have something called backpack. If you click this, you can open this and then okay, let's start again. So you can put any of your sprites you like. It will save for you. Also, you can grab it and put it back. See, this is like how you can make another of the same thing. If your right click doesn't work or you don't know how to have this menu duplicate, you can put it inside your backpack and bring it back. Okay, let's duplicate one more time. Now we have 3 of the same thing. They are doing exactly the same thing. But we can make it a little bit more fun by changing the color or sizes. Let's select the first one, make it a little bit bigger. So we can change the size from here. Let's make it 120 if we'll, let's see if we like it. And then let's not change this one. This one, the third one, we can make it smaller, let's say 60. Maybe we can make this a little bit bigger. And What else? We can change the colors. To change the color, this one, this sprite has costumes. So they are other colors of the same thing. So we can change the costume. So these are called costumes. We can change the costume, and this one will be another color. And this one will be another color. So select the sprite and go to costume and change the like select the one that you like. Here it is. Click it, export, and you can look at it in full screen view. Oh, that's too easy. Okay, let's start by clicking the flag. And you can pop them and get scores. So they are coming. One more thing that we can add to this is, let's have the first one. We can go to operators and have this one pick random 1 to 10. So we can put this in the wait time so that we don't know when they will come back. So this is the yellow one. When yellow one disappears, it may come back 1 second, 2 seconds, until 10 seconds later. It will come back. But 10 seconds, maybe it's too much. You can change all of the numbers that are like that in the white areas. I want to make it 5. And let's test. That's the yellow. So it comes back. It should come back before 5 seconds. It can come back in 1 second, 2 seconds, or like, yeah. It adds a little bit more interest when it's random, right? Okay. So that was the project for today, and I hope you made the same thing and you enjoyed and learned something. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. See you next time.